Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to set the default messaging app on Android step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Apps option. When you spot it, go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Step 3. In the Apps menu, find the Manage Apps option, then click on it to open the menu. Step 4. Within the menu, look for the 3 dots icon at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on it. Step 5. From the drop-down menu that appears, find the Other Settings option, then click on it. Step 6. Next, tap on the Default Apps option on the screen. Step 7. Inside this menu, you'll see an option for Messaging. Tap on it to continue. Step 8. Now you'll see all the messaging apps available on your device. Finally, select the app you want to set as your default by tapping on it. For example, Truecaller. And that's it. You've successfully set the default messaging app on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.